We're here today with? We're here today with?
Diana May Diaz. You can call me Dia of Super Air. I'm a sales manager. Super Air is all-around aircon contractor. All your aircon needs, we will solve it.
What's a tool that you can't live without?
So dahil sales manager ako, siguro ang isang tool na hindi ko talaga kaya mabuhay na wala ay calculator. Anything, basta kaya mag-compute, instant. Yun ang kailangan ko.
What's the mistake that most business always do?
Minsan, because we want to win the project, we overpromise. I learned that through 15 years of experience. I learned na never to overpromise. Kung ano yung kaya natin, kung ano yung nakikita natin na kaya natin, yun yung sabihin natin, let's be honest with the client.
How would you determine whether to say yes or no to a business opportunity?
Sobrang hirap nito actually kasi you always wanted to help people also. Kaya lang kapag marami ka ng masyadong hawak, hindi mo rin sila matutulungan ng tama. So nagno-no lang siguro ako pag alam ko talaga na we cannot do it on the span of time na binigay sa amin. So yun, tatanggi na ako nun.
Kung may mga business na gustong palaguin lalo ang business nila, ano ang dapat nilang gawin?
Dapat i-follow nyo ang story seller system. Inaayos nila ang data reports mo para mapalago ang business mo.
One more take ba?
Oh my God, sasakalin ako ni Chester. Nabubulol ako.